whenever you're going to see this recording here. My name is Michael Strubin. I'm joined by Nicole Veggiotti, and we're sharing today a recording from about the yellow button conformance testing and demonstration, something that Nicole and I ran initially when we did our webinar on the 15th of May 2026. However, that recording didn't take. So today we're going to share with you just a brief version of this in order to give you a nice demonstration of the Gazelle testing platform. So with that, I'm jumping right ahead to conformance testing. Nicole, over to you.
Thank you, thank you. So, hi everyone, I'm Nicole Veggiotti, European Affairs Project Owner and IT Connectathon Manager at IT Catalyst. So, together with me in the webinar, there was also Sofia Franconi from IT Europe, but today I'm alone. I will explain you the slides and I will show you the live demo of Gazelle. Next slide, please. Okay, so the testing will be performing Gazelle. Gazelle is an open source platform. And in this platform, we have created a specific session in which you can continuously testing and also testing outside the regular testing events. And you can find in this slide the link for accessing the Gazelle session. Of course, it's open for xShare yellow button open call participants, but please be sure of read carefully the Gazelle user guide before registering and try to test. Next slide, please. So we have here two important things that you need to know before starting the test. So we have two types of tests. One is the content validation for EHDS priority category documents, and here we have the priority categories available. So for performing this content validation, you need to register your system in Gazelle with the following actor. The actor is your priority category, patient summary, for example, content creator. We will see it later in the demo, but it's important for you to know it. And the name of the test that you will have to perform is the following: EU priority categories. So for example, patient summary, validation, and sample sharing. Plus, we have the yellow button download capability. So for testing yellow button download capability, you have to register your system as download doc consumer actor. And the name of the test that you have to perform with your system is yellow button download. And in this test, you will see there are different steps: authentication of the patient according to you login, search of the document, and download of that document. So next slide, I think then it's my turn to start the demo. So I will start sharing my screen. I hope that you can see it, but Michael can confirm.
Perfect.
Perfect. So the first thing is that you have to do in Gazette. So this is the home page. This is the home page, and you will land here if you click on the link that I've shared before. So the first thing that you have to do is to register yourself. The registration process is easy, but please, before doing that, read the user guide. In order to don't waste time, we will directly sign in. I will sign in with my account. So we are here. In order to start your test, you need to go to the test management. Here is where you can register your system. You can see here a system that I've registered for these demo purposes, but we will see then now how to register your system. And here is this session in which you will perform the task that we have mentioned. So a very important thing is that you need to double check that you are in the correct test session. We are in the EHDS instance, but we have different sessions of testing in this instance. I will show you now which are those sessions. So, but it's important that you double check that here it's written Gazelle continuous testing session for EHDS related projects. In order to check the other sessions, you can press this button, join another session, and you see we have several other sessions, including the Pragathon and the Projectathon, but you will only be able, in order for the yellow button open calls, to test in the continuous testing session. So this is the correct session in which you will be able to perform the test. So first you have checked this, fine. Then you have to register your system. So you have registered before entering in Gazelle your user and your company, but then now it's the turn for register the system. I have registered one for the demo purposes, but for adding a new system, you have to press this button. So we see here with my system, which are the items requested for the registration. So the registration includes the system summary. So you